a bit of a drowned rat. I don't think I'm going to be making a video today.
Why does it sound like I feel like a stranger? It's like I'm surprised by the good things in life. Funny how you clear out all the noise in my head.
Hello and welcome. I'm in Malta trying to find some winter sun, but unfortunately the 2 days that I'm here it's meant to rain the whole time. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This morning I got in and then I tried to go out and have a walk around and I got absolutely drowned in the rain. The thing is, I don't know how waterproof my camera is. There's literal hailstones out there at the minute. I don't think I'm going to be making a video today. The sun is out right now, but it's going to rain later on tonight. So I believe that was the boat that takes you from where I am now in, I think it's called Selma, and to Valletta. I might as well go into town. It's only 15 minutes or so in, and there's be a chance to look around with it being slightly dry. Hiya, can I have a return ticket to Valletta? One please. A return ticket from here to Valletta, the old town, costs €4.50. I think it's €3 for a single. So I've made it to Valletta. It is about 20 minutes before the sun sets, so might have about an hour of light. I'm going to try and head up towards the dome and see how much I can see, to be honest. I do like these little boxes. Obviously the closer we get to the dome, the less we'll actually see of it, but I'm assuming the bottom half of the building is going to be just as beautiful as the top. It's in the same state as most other telephone boxes in the UK. It's a beautiful little square. Would have liked to spend a bit more time there to have a better look at it, but it's a tall group going the same direction as I am and they just get in the way. But I did hear the tour guide say the 2 churches that were there, one Catholic, one Protestant, the Protestant was taller, but when the Catholic church was needed rebuilding, they rebuilt it just that much taller. Construction everywhere you go, always is. Right, I'm going to go up to the main square first and then I'm going to go down to the port, if the light permits. So this appears to be where the majority of the people are this evening. I'm going to go the opposite way and go down towards the fort. Hopefully there's enough light, but we'll see what we can see. And although the buildings are very pretty, they're not in the best state and they look like they could use a little TLC. Maybe the poorer area here. Hello. talking about the wall. No, you don't look like you want to say hello. So my reasoning for coming here first and then going to the main centre afterwards is because the light's running out, so I'm assuming in the centre there's going to be lots of street lights and it'll be a bit brighter, so hopefully we'll be able to see something and actually explore a bit more there. And you may be able to see just behind me a couple of lights in the distance where they are boats heading north to Sicily in Italy. It's quite a mild temperature at the minute. It's not hot or cold. If it wasn't for the rain, it'd be perfect.
You think you're so clever, you crack under pressure, can be put back together. Pay for likes by the hour, no roots wilting flowers, now that you've been exposed.
Lots of nice courtyards and squares here. There's Queen Victoria statue back there. I believe this is the main street. I'm not sure how much the camera is picking up and how much you can see, so I'm going to head back now. But in the meantime, while I'm waiting for my ferry, I'm going to have a quick walk around and see if I can show you any of the city by night. Oh, they made a concert hall, a theatre inside the ruins of what was probably either a church or a temple or something like that. But it's pretty cool. Right, I'm gonna go up these steps. This is definitely giving Nintendo GoldenEye vibes, if you remember that. That's a long way down. That's a lot of people getting on that one. Quick change of plan. That boat was absolutely ram-packed, so I'm going to wait for the next one. They're every half an hour, so it's not too long. But I'm going to go explore a little bit more. Come on legs, last little bit. So that's all for my time here in Valletta and Malta. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you could do all the YouTube things of liking and subscribing, it would be a massive help. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.